this is part 2, sorry about that, my camera cut off. But it came with 6 washes here. Try and take apart the core now. Okay, let me just try and figure out why. So I haven't been able to take the core apart. Try it another day, but for now I'll just reassemble this cube and put washers on these instead of these plastic parts. And for the lube it, so I'll get back to you when that's done, show you some stuff. So I've lubed this, tensioned it, and it turns really well now. Only problem is it catches quite tight. Catches, but it's really loose. But now our corner cutting's 45, but that's probably just because it's loose. Definitely won't be replacing my Qilong's main. But it'll probably be my backup of a backup. I just need to tension it, tighten it maybe a bit more. But I'll do some cells quickly. I'm not exactly that fast. My PB now is 46 seconds. No, 36 even. But I'm not exactly used to this size. It feels small in my hands compared to the Guan Long, which feels quite, or the Qilong even, feels natural. That was a 45 second, 59. So next scramble. I think I might tighten this just a bit. So I'm still using beginner method for now. I know 1 or 2 perms, which is the U perm and H perm. Ugh. isn't a good solve. One minute 87. Or 1 minute point 87. I'll do an average of 5. Solve from white again. I think go well. The more I use this, the more nicer it feels. And I'm getting used to it now. I think Rubiks have definitely excelled themselves with this. Because most people thought it was going to be a pretty bad speed cube, but it's actually really good. I'd definitely use this in competition if I didn't have my Lingyan or Qilong. Definitely prefer this over my Chenxiao. So I definitely recommend this to beginners. Or if you just want to try the new Rubik's Cube, of course. But try and get the Pro Pack, which I got in the store for £10, which is quite cheap really for England. This might actually be a decent time now. That's my second best time now. So yeah, this cube's definitely improving the more I use it. And in case you're wondering, I'm using a CS timer. This is going to be a pretty bad time. One minute 7. 56.3. Thanks for watching, guys.